froze a bit. Let's see if the video will continue, or I believe that we can start. If I can get some reaction, maybe Domen can tell me if I'm here. Yes, so it's not me that froze. I'm very happy about that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you in today's call. We have a Travelution overview call. So it means that today you will find out what is the Travelution about. What is the Travelution about from the perspective of the business opportunity, and also what is it about from the perspective of the product. Well, we will be talking also about some excellent thing at the very end. You know that right now there is the most wanted promotion ongoing, the Travelution booster promotion. And if you think that the things could not get better, then stay with us until the end, because you will see that always the things can get much better. So the schedule of today's call is very simple. Mr. Domen, who is here with me, will guide you through the presentation of the Travelution. Later on, I will tell you about the application features that you can expect directly at the launch, and then we will look at the promotions and we look at how many tickets are still left for our outstanding Travelution launch event that will happen in the Budapest on the 8th of March. So, Domen, I see that you are already here in the perfect shape, prepared to share with the community what is the Travelution about. The audience is now yours.
Mr. CEO Michael Praženica, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on my second call today. My job today is to speak about the revolution of the travel industry. 12 days. 12 days separates us before the Travelution will start to exist, and we are 12 days away before we will start to write the history with the Travelution all over the Europe, all over the Latin America, and even more important, we are entering also into the Asia. Mr. Alfred, AI is ready, the App Store is ready. When we are speaking about Google Play, they are ready. Once again, last 12 days, like Mr. CEO would set, the most magical times, the times for the positionings, the times in order to get the best from the travel pre-sale offer. Now, if you are here for the first time, I welcome you every Monday, 8 p.m. Central European Time, 11 p.m. Dubai time. We are organizing the calls in order to give you the basic information what Travelution is, and even more important, what kind of business opportunity you can take out of, by far, in the future, the biggest travel club on the planet. Now, we are speaking about traveling. We are speaking about something that everyone loves. If you ask your friends, if you ask your family, if you ask your wife, traveling is something that brings joy, and traveling is something that brings excitement. Now, when we are speaking about the Travelution, it's not just about joy, it's not just about excitement, but literally with the Travelution, you can start to build a business, you can start to travel, make joy, make fun, and even more important, you can start to make money. Now, once again, when we are speaking about traveling, we are speaking about the best times of our life, and even more important is more than 1.5 billion people on a yearly basis is traveling at least once a year. So we are entering into the industry that everyone loves. We are entering into the industry that everyone not just loves, but they would like to do it even more if there would be an option. Now, in the past, there were some travel companies and they reached a global success, but Corona literally stopped everything. Now, after the Corona, as you can see also on this graph, everything started to pick it up. So right now is definitely the best time to position the business inside to the industry that counts in more than $11 trillion. Now, if we are speaking about the problems of traveling, expensive, stressful, we are spending money, and it's complicated. Now, what if there would be a solution? What if we are 12 days away before the Travelution will start to exist, and literally we are speaking about the application that it will make your traveling simple, time less consuming, not time more consuming, everything driven by artificial intelligence, and just with the clip inside of your app, you will literally plan your trips in seconds? The answer is that Travelution is the solution, and once again, everything is possible because of the artificial intelligence, because of the most sophisticated AI integrated inside of the app. Now, when we are speaking about the application, what kind of features we will see? Flights, hotels, cruises, transportation. So, in order to enjoy your base vacation, usually we are using between 5 to 9 different kind of applications. One application for the flights, one application for the hotels, one of the application for the attractions, then we need local data, then we need attractions. Now with the Travelution, ladies and gentlemen, everything you will have inside. Now when we are speaking about the current offer, we are speaking about Skyscanner, we are speaking about trip.com, we are speaking about different kind of websites that we are using it. Now I have amazing news. Triply, Skyscanner, Cheap Air, Kiwi, Kayak, Expedia, all these companies today, evaluation, we are speaking about hundreds of millions of dollars, some of them billions of dollars. Now, if we are looking right now among different kind of applications, what you would say if the Travelution will have an option to cover everything, and even more important is, if you are on this call, if you are here for the first time, if you are thinking to be a part of something great, you are at the right time, at the right place with the next $1 billion business and story. So once again, when we are speaking about the Travelution, 12 days from now, ladies and gentlemen, the first customers will come in Europe, in Hungary, in Czech, Slovak, Germany. So literally the entire Europe, Latin America, and world will have an option through App Store and Google Play, download the app. The moment that you will download the application, ladies and gentlemen, you will start to plan your trips, your vacation in a matter of seconds. Now, when we are speaking about money-wise, we are speaking about the application that it will cost $15 a month, or if you do one-time payment, $180. So we are speaking about the application that is by far technology most advanced. We are speaking about the application that it will include all the features that I mentioned you before, and literally for the price of the salad, you will get the most sophisticated application as a customer. Now the customers are coming. Even more important, that kind of calls every Monday we are organizing it, because you can become a business partner, you can become a businessman, and literally to become a part of the Travelution, you can position yourself with literally 4 pre-sale membership packages: Silver, Gold, Platinum, and Ultra VIP. If you like to travel, if you would like to travel even more, if you would like to travel even more and make money, you can position yourself today, once again, with the pre-sale packages, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and Ultra VIP packages. Right now, they are combined as a combo packages, and even more important is that beside the back office subscription for the entire year, you are getting the position inside of the Travelution compensation plan, and you are getting My Life points. My Life points you will spend for the future trips in the case of the discounts. So more My Life points you have, more discounts you will get later on, and you will be able to spend them on all the future trips. But in order to get even more benefits, once again, with buying the package, ladies and gentlemen, you can participate with the app revenue share pool. So why this revenue share pool is so important, why buying in the pre-sale time is so important, because after the 8th of March, the numbers for the revenue share are gonna be significantly lower. That's why Michael said at the beginning of this call, we are speaking about the most magical times. We are speaking about the times that you are getting the most after the launch. Everyone who will join later, they will still get the benefits, but these benefits are gonna be significantly lower. The rules in the pre-sale are simple. Bigger package you have, more bigger participation in a revenue share you get, and more My Life points, ladies and gentlemen, you will be able to spend. Now, when we are speaking about how the company will make money, what I can expect as a royalty and how much I can expect. Ladies and gentlemen, when we are speaking about the streams of income for the Travelution, they're amazing. And they come from different kind of feeds, from different kind of areas. App subscriptions. Every time someone will download the application in Hungary, in Germany, in UK, in Thailand, literally the penguins in Antarctica, when they will download the application in order to get the best deals, this is the stream of income for the Travelution. In-app purchases, flight purchases, hotel bookings, SIM cards, insurance, attractions. Every time someone will use the app and spend something in it, once again, 25% of all the streams of income is gonna be shared with everyone who are having the Travelution package. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we are speaking about the potential, here the potential, it's limitless. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen, the best cases. Netflix, #1 movie app, and #1 music app that is called the Spotify. Now, when we are speaking about the Travelution potential, Netflix is #1 movie app. Today they have 270 million subscribers and they are making $40 billion a year. Now, when we are speaking about Spotify, 210 million subscribers, almost $80 billion a year. Now, if you check top 50 companies, when we are speaking about the applications, you will not find not even one travel application. And the Travelution aim is to become #1. And among top 50, we are speaking about the company that on a yearly basis will generate billions of dollars. Now, will the billions of dollars come already at the beginning? The answer is no. Why? Because we are starting 8th of March in Budapest, in front of more than 1,500 people, and all I can say is that on 8th of March, Travelution will start to exist. App Store, Google Play are ready. So I am very, very excited to see you all there in order to be a part of the biggest event of 2025. Now, once again, we have so many news for you. That's why I would like to invite Mr. Michael on the call in order to give you the insights about what is coming on 8th of March. Even more important, ladies and gentlemen, is how many seats is available. Michael, are you still here with us in order to give all the insights to our Travelution members? Michael is here. Michael, how many seats is available and what our people can expect 8th of March?
Thank you very much, Domen, for the presentation. This is directly the topic I want to talk and I want to reveal today. You know that last week it was for the first time we revealed the information about the application. We showed a closer look on the features, on the benefits that you can wait for directly at the launch. So let me come inside the presentation and show you what this is about. So when we are talking about the Travelution application, we are, as Domen said, super ready with everything, and you can expect the first screen, which is a login screen. Why I'm even talking about the login screen? I'm talking about the login screen because this is something that will directly connect your subscription that you have in your back office with your application. It will activate it. So it means that whoever will download the application from the App Store or from the Google Play and don't have a subscription, he will not be able to access all of these amazing features. So be sure that you will get your subscription together now in the combo package with your exclusive Travel Club membership before the application will start. When we are talking about the subscription, let me tell you more here because it's very important to repeat once again that the subscription model is today, I think, the widest model of the distribution of the applications and services over the internet. We are all used to it, and we are used to that when we pay something, some subscription, we pay for an access. But what we are also used to is that when we are paying for the access, we are spending money. Wait, let's here take a look about the revolution that the Travelution is bringing to your home. It means whenever you will pay application subscription with the Travelution, you are not paying to spend money, you are paying to save money. Why? Because the subscription is 180 USDT yearly, and every single subscription is coming with 240 My Life points, which you will be able to spend during the time of using the application as a discounts for your attraction, hotels on your travels. So it means that 180 you pay, 240 you get. So it means that this is better than free. And when we go to the support of the languages, well, we know that today world should be totally without the barriers of the language. So as the Travelution application. The Travelution application at the day of launch will already have 10 languages options right at the start. It will include the English, Spanish, German, Hungarian, Arabic, Portuguese, Chinese, Slovak, Bulgarian, and Greek. And if you are here from some other country and you are wondering if my language is missing here, well, as I said, this is just the start. This is the day one when the application will go out. And of course, the application and its features will be continuously improved. So later on, if you are the one that will start expanding the Travelution exclusive travel club in your country, you can be sure that you will find your language sooner or later on the list. When we are talking about the personalization, many times we said that the application and the Travelution is changing the way how people travel. Why we are talking about the change? Because we are talking about the personalization. Unlike with the other services, where you get the generic itineraries, when you get the same offers and same spots to see like everyone else who will visit this website. When we are talking about the Travelution AI-driven personalization, we are talking about the AI getting to know something about you. So when you will first time run your application, AI will learn what you like. You will be able to choose if you like shopping or if you like family-friendly attractions or tours and adventures, museum, galleries, or some adrenaline attractions. And of course, what kind of kitchen you prefer, if it is Italian or Japanese. Based on all of these things that you will provide information to the AI, AI will be able to personalize your experience. The more you will use the app, the more the AI will learn about you, and the more personalized will be your experience. So once we have a first personalization done, you will come to the dashboard. The dashboard is the main screen of the entire application, and it is providing you every single day update of top 10 recommendations for the day. You can go and you can check the basic tab for you, where is a combination of attractions, of restaurants or events. But if you want to take a closer look at the restaurants, for example, you can just go and click there. At your destination, you will see the restaurants based on your preference. When you will go to the attractions, again, the attractions are made in the list based on the personalized experience for you, what you like. If you do not like adrenaline, you will not find it there, etc., etc., etc. If you have a time of the evening and you are thinking, okay, I would like to hang out somewhere, maybe to some concert or football game, or I don't know what is happening where I'm right now, you do not need to anymore struggle and search in the foreign language of the country for a multiple website, what is happening around, trying to find out, and you will even lose taste to go somewhere out until you will find out this information. With the Travelution application, you will see all of the events that are happening at the time, at the place where you are, and you will be able to access them seamlessly, get the tickets, get all the information about this event, and of course then you are ready to go and enjoy. When we are talking about the landmarks, we are talking about the similar situation. Everything that is interesting for you at the destination will be listed there. When we are talking about the more personalization, as you can see on the screenshots, there are some type of restaurants or breakfast places, and you might say, yeah, this is not something that I would pick. Well, you can always go and you can tell to the AI what kind of itineraries you would prefer. If you are traveling as a couple, or you are traveling with a family, or you are traveling with the friends, or you are on your own, then you can tell if you like galleries, great food, landmarks, museums, and many, many more things. And of course, you can also set your budget range. So $1 means a low budget, this is a middle budget, and the $3 signs means a high budget or no budget limit option. Based on that, when I will go and ask the AI to create me the itinerary, I will get the itinerary for the 4 days. Each day, of course, most of the people are starting with the breakfast. So I will get some place that is highly recommended for me to go to experience the food there that is near my place. What is very important is that what is actually the biggest benefit of the custom itineraries is that you will squeeze out of your time the most. You know, it's same as in life. If you plan something, you are able to achieve much more things in the shorter time. If you are traveling, then you might know already on your own experience. If you are somewhere abroad in the city where you never visited before, you don't know how to orientate, what do you see, then you might end up going from one attraction or from one landmark or one sightseeing point to the another, using the public transportation or ground transportation, spending hours in the taxis, and well, at the end you will not see as much or not experience as much as you could. This will not happen with the Travelution, because you will find out the exact plans for your days, and it will send you in the locations that are always nearby, that you will not spend hours in the taxis and in the transportation, so you will be able to experience as much as possible from the place where you are. Well, if you want to go for more not scripted experience, let's say. You finish somewhere in the middle of your itinerary, you are at some nice landmark, and you have a taste to skip something or look what is around. You can also use the feature which is AI-driven city exploration. It's a map where you see everything that is interesting around. And once you will access it, you can just go and click on one, second, third, fourth landmark that is around you, and you can get from Alfred, from your personal travel concierge, more information. Like you can see on these screenshots. I click on the La Mer, and I see that La Mer in Dubai features the region first ever water park thrilling experience for the visitor. The destination also boasts over 130 shops, cafes, restaurants, making it a vibrant hub for shopping and dining by the beach. Maybe that's not what I'm looking for. So I can look at Al Mutina Park, or I can look at the blog. Me personally, I didn't even know that something like the blog exists, and I'm in Dubai very, very often. I was living there for some time, and well, I was very curious about this attraction or about this landmark. What is it? So I started to ask more deep questions. I find out what is the blog about. I wanted to know who designed the blog. I got an answer that it was designed by architects from Zaha Hadid. I wanted to know if I can compare it to something else that I already know. I got the answer. I wanted to know if there are some dining experience. I got the answer. So it means no matter how much questions you will ask, Alfred will be your best travel guide ever, because he knows all of the information is possible. You can go with your questions. You can ask as deep as you want for many things that he will tell you. He will always continue explaining and providing you very interesting informations. Well, when we are talking about the other use of the Alfred, of course, this Alfred is a standout feature that can, in many languages, answer to many questions you want to ask. I'm stating the example that I was saying also on the last time. I had one meeting in Dubai, and I was looking. I was asking my friend that I came to meet him. That are we going to eat something? Okay, what would you like to get? He said, yeah, maybe we could go for some steak. So, you know, in the middle of Dubai, okay, where can we find a steak? It was so easy. I just picked the phone up, I opened Alfred, and I said, Alfred, please advise me the good steak restaurants which is near my location. Immediately I got 3 options. I clicked the first one, I checked the pictures, I said, okay, I like it. I click, navigate me there. It was so close. I told him that I need something that is close, walking distance. It was so close that, you know, when you start running the maps, sometimes you need to do few steps forward or backward, so it properly localizes you which way on the street you should go. It was so close that it was literally behind my back in the building, in the shopping center, or let's say multi-purpose center that was there. So literally I walked about 1 minute and I was at the place of my interest. If you need to find something special, if you want to find the nearest pharmacy, or you need to get, I don't know, the eye drops or whatever kind of thing, you can ask Alfred where you could fastest get it, where you could find it, and he will tell you where is the shop where you can get it, and he will be happy to navigate you there. What is very important is that Alfred will be continuously improved. Continuously improved means that more and more features of Alfred you can expect in the future. When we are talking, it's not just about the local insights or real-time assistance or instant recommendations, but also about customized itinerary planning, where you will tell him exactly what budget you have, where you are departing from, where you are coming, and he will, based on your budget, construct the entire trip. So you will be able to fly there, you will be able to live there in some hotel, and you will still have budget for city exploring. You will be able to customize it as deep as you can. The more information they provide, the more accurate outcomes you will get. When we are talking about application like no other, we are talking about all-in-one solution. And by this I mean, on this screenshot you can see how huge amount of the information you can get about one attraction. You know how it is. If you are traveling, you are visiting different places, you are going from the city to city, from the place to the place. You always need some kind of sites. On each and every site, there is a different procedure, how to get the tickets. You need to first understand it. All of this struggle is over. Because with the Travelution AI-powered application, you will not just find all of the information, all of the details, how much time you will spend there, if you should wear respectful clothes in this place. It will advise you that there is no shorts allowed. All of these things will Alfred take care about. He will tell you the information, and if you want to go there, you can just buy the tickets directly in the application. All the time, on all of the place, with the same purchase flow, very easy, seamless, in few seconds. When we are talking that you are somewhere away, you want to call a taxi, you just click the call a taxi, you will get a car, it will transport you to the attraction. The same it works with the restaurants. With the restaurants, there is even more thing, because we are people of the different tastes. And if I have some specific diet, for example, I'm a vegetarian, I can very simply ask Alfred that I want a vegetarian restaurant. You can even specify that it should be Japanese or Chinese or Italian or whatever kind of kitchen you prefer. And it will find you the restaurants which can serve the vegetarian dishes or which vegetarians are recommending to others. What is very good that you will find out there all of the information. When they open, when they close. You can book the table. If they have a booking system, you book it directly there. If they don't have a booking system, you can directly call there. You can navigate, you can call taxi, you can do everything you want. Everything is on one place. So it means you will never anymore need to go somewhere else, look for something, or figuring out if this is open, if this is good or bad. You will find all of the references and all of the recommendations. When I will show you the video from the Travelution application, there is a lot of people that are from the Hungary. It is in the Hungarian language, so I will quickly guide you through. So once I log in, I choose that my destination is Budapest. Like I told you, first is the application introduction, and then there is end personalization. So you will choose what you like with the button of heart, what you are not interested with the button of the X. After many images, of course it's shortened for this purpose here, you will provide the basic information to the AI. Once you are in your dashboard, as I said, you can find top 10 things for you to see, and these things are being updated every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you will find something new. If you want to look more at some destination, you will find there the description, you will find there the pictures. You can decide much better if this is something that you want to visit now or you want to visit later. If you want to know what is nearby, you will always find it. If you are hungry, as I said, you can go for the dining options. You will find everything that is nearby. And if you want to find something special, you just tell the Alfred and he will handpick the exactly the gastronomy experience that you are looking for. So when we go next to the landmarks, You can see the landmarks that you can visit. You see their prices. As I said, you can buy directly tickets there. It's very seamless process of getting the ticket. Then you will just go, either you will receive the e-ticket, or if they are like to say old school, you will get the QR code that you will show at the gate and they will exchange it for the tickets. Everything is integrated and everything is working perfectly. If I want to know more, I will just open the AI.
A halászbástyai neogótikus terasz Budapesten, Magyarországon. A 19. század végén épült, panorámás kilátást nyújt a városra, beleértve a Dunát és a parlament épületét. A halászbástyái.
And like you can see, when the language is said in Hungarian,
A halászbástyán összesen 175 lép.
Answering to me in Hungarian. If I will open the itineraries, I have already created itinerary for me. Let me go a bit back. So I will underline what I said before. I will start my day with the breakfast. I see that it's a 12 minutes of the walking to that place. From that place is only 11 minutes to walk to see the first landmark. To the second one, how much is it? To the second one, it's only 2 minutes by car, 3 minutes by car, 11 minutes by walk. So it will even suggest me how I get there faster. If I want to navigate there, I will just ask it, or I will ask for the transportation and it will call me the Uber, or I will have an option to choose the local taxi company if it is already integrated. So with the Travelution application, you will never get lost. If you want to customize your day, customize your itinerary, you are in the full control. You can do whatever you want. You can even mark some things where you had a great experience, more informations. Like I said, you will provide to the AI more it will know about you, the better experience you will get. When we are talking about the near future, we are talking about the constant innovation of the Travelution application. The next features that are coming are, for example, the hotels. The hotels will be integrated directly in the Travelution application. eSIM cards, as we are today all addicted to the internet, I need to say it like this, we are addicted to the internet. Even this Zoom call would not be possible without the internet. Wherever you are coming, I think the first thing you are doing is to obtaining the local SIM card with the local data. You will not anymore need to wait for these overpriced kiosks everywhere where is so many crowds on the airport until you will do something with your data. You will be able to do it literally with a few clicks. Flights integration or car rental integration and many, many more things. So if you want to know more about the features that are coming, if you want to know more about the application, then for sure the place where you will be able to find out for the first time is a launch event in the Budapest. Why we are launching in the Budapest? Because we have an amazing team in the Budapest. We have an amazing team in Hungary that took this opportunity and started to spread it all around. When we are talking about the launch event in Budapest, there is 300 tickets left. So still you can go, scan the QR code. You will find this on the website travelutionclub.com, where you can go and get to the form. You can reserve your tickets, and the tickets are being sold in the bundles. 10 tickets for $300. So one ticket is in this case for the 30 USDTs. If you want to purchase just a single ticket, it comes for the 49. Why you should go with the bundle? Well, because when we are talking about the Travelution business opportunity, like Domen was already describing, it is always good that you will invite your friends and your future partners that can become the Travelution businessmen together with you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was for the application features for today's call. And now I will give word back to the Domen, because as you know, we promised you at the beginning of the call that you can look forward an amazing promotion.
Michael, thank you very much. So in 12 days, ladies and gentlemen, you will know the Alfred, you will know how it works. Even more important, we are starting by far the biggest Travelution membership club, not just in your city, not just in your country, not just in Europe, but literally all over the world. You can be a part of it. That's why secure your seat, invite your family, invite your future partners in order to expand even faster. At the beginning of this call, Michael promised something unique, something amazing, but as a cherry on top, the CEO added something new. But first of all, let's go step by step. The booster promotion is something that everyone loves. It was in the past, and we are having it today until the event on 8th of March. So what does this mean? Every customer that wants to join the Travelution Club, if someone will buy the 300 USDT membership, he will get the value of 800. If someone is thinking to buy 800, ladies and gentlemen, I have even better news. You will get 1,500 USDT value package. If you want to go more and more serious, 1,500 will give you 5,000 value. And the best news is buying 5,000 will give you 2 times app revenue share. So you are buying 5K, but you are getting literally 10,000 value. Now, booster promotion is something that is good, but to be a part of something amazing, the CEO, Michael, and the entire team put the cherry on top, and this cherry on top, it's called Be the Best and Get the First Trip. So what does this mean, ladies and gentlemen? The first part of the promotion, it's for the customers. Customers like the benefits. 300, 800, 800, 1,500. Buying 5K give you 10,000 volume. Now this is for you guys, for the people that they are already, for the leaders that they are already part of the travel club. So what is the qualification, ladies and gentlemen? If you sell 10,000 and above direct sales, you can literally get 5,000 USDT extra in your pocket. But let's go step by step. Everyone who qualifies from today until the event and he do 10,000 in sales, you will get the first place, ladies and gentlemen, you will get hotel, you will get the flight, and you will get 5,000 USDT extra in your pocket. You can spend it with your wife, you can spend it with your wife and with your kids. Once again, you're getting the hotel, you're getting the flights, and you are getting 5,000, Michael would say, as a travel budget. Second place, ladies and gentlemen, you're getting hotel and you're getting flight. It's amazing. You will go with your wife, with your family as a part of the first Travelution trip. And the third place, ladies and gentlemen, you will get the hotels. Once again, I'm sure that the draw will happen at the event of 8th of March, and we will be more than glad in order to send you on the first Travelution app. Don't forget, qualification starts now. It starts immediately. 10,000 direct sales can give you amazing rewards. Michael, I think I said all. How can I say, the sprint start today. If I miss something, let me know. Otherwise, from my side, muchas gracias por todo. Köszönöm szépen, and see you on the first Travelution trip.
Well, I would just say 2 more things. When we are talking about the qualification, everyone who is from the 10,000 and above is qualified. The first place, of course, will win the one with the most production. We know that there is a lot of people prepared. There is a lot of prepared to hit it hard. And that's why I'm very, very, very personally interested. Who will be the one that will get these amazing prizes? The question that is coming daily from the community is that how many out of 1,000 of the certain memberships of the pre-launch are still available. You can go to the website travelutionclub.com promotion /promotions, or you just access it here. You will find out the Travelution Booster promotion. You will find out the Be the Best promotion. And of course, here is an counter of how many different memberships out of this 1,000 membership is still available with the pre-sale exclusive memberships. And well, it will be updated daily. So if you need to know this information, you do not need to reach our support anymore. Just go to this travelutionclub.com and check for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I hope that you like what you see, and I am sure that if you want to start your business really, really hard with the Travelution, you need to be present on the launch event of the 8th of March. This event is not just about coming there and be there. It is about getting all of the atmosphere, see all of the people that already enrolled themselves, see on the stage what is coming, what is the rollout of the entire Travelution project, what you can expect in what kind of time frames. But most importantly, You know, this is the place where your business begins. This is the place where you can get the best pictures, best content, best videos with your buddies, where you can show off how your business looks like and what kind of community you are part of. So be aware that attending the events are building your business. Thank you very much for attention and see you tomorrow on the Travelution training webinar. Goodbye.
Goodbye.